Do you have a driver's license?
No.
Do you have a driver's license?
No, I got car.
You got a car, but do you have a driver's license?
Who'd you steal this car? Who'd you steal this car from?
You didn't twist your ankle, right?
Jasper goes down.
Oh, fireworks.
Yeah, fireworks.
Gotta have fireworks. Just not thunder.
No, that's not good. We've been hearing similar sounds all week, but I think those were all training simulations.